Hello, my name is James. Today, I am excited to bring you this lecture by Neville Goddard. Nothing to lose. Imagining a life without worries or fears is something that can seem difficult to do, yet Neville Goddard's lecture, Nothing to Lose, presents an exciting method of achieving such a life. In this lecture, Goddard explains how to unlock the potential within yourself to create the life that you've always dreamed of. Goddard begins by discussing how we lose our focus on the matters that truly matter, often succumbing to the worries and fears that life throws our way. With this in mind, he encourages the audience to be open to the idea of infinite possibilities and to direct our focus away from the worries of the world and rather concentrate on the thoughts that we can have control over. It's through this that Goddard reminds us that we no longer have anything to lose, for when we put our faith in our own thoughts, we open doors that unlock the mysteries of life. These mysterious doors are present in all of us, yet are rather blocked by our own worries, doubts, and fears. Fortunately, Goddard explains that such worries, doubts, and fears can be washed away with a simple shift in focus. By doing so, we can draw the power of God into our lives, and thus gain that which we have not yet been able to achieve. To enhance this concept, Goddard explains how we are able to witness the beauty of life by turning our thoughts inward, instead of outward. He stresses that by doing this, we reveal to our minds the never-ending possibilities that life has to offer. Goddard further draws attention to the fact that fear and worries can actually be transformed into courage and hopes. This is especially true when it comes to recognizing the potential within ourselves. He maintains that all of us possess the power of imagination, and that this power can be activated in whatever way we choose. By using this power, we can manifest our own destinies, for when we focus on our own thoughts, we open the door that leads to all that we strive for. Goddard's lecture, Nothing to Lose, encourages us to put our faith in our own thoughts and to use the power of imagination to create a life with nothing to lose. By unlocking the potential within ourselves and turning our thoughts inward, Goddard reminds us that we have the power to manifest the life that we've always wanted. Living with fear and worries can be like living in a state of paralysis, yet through the power of imagination, we can get out of this state, and therefore, truly enjoy the gift that life has to offer. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. Thanks for watching.